Hello there! In this video we will see how we can add a widget to our WordPress website. To begin, we go to Appearance and we select Widgets. Here we can see all the widgets that are available to add and all the places that we can add widgets to. Depending on our theme, there might be many places such as footer that we see here, or sidebars, left sidebar, right sidebar, etc. This works with a simple drag and drop, so if I wish to add an image widget, I just drag and drop the image widget. A navigation menu, recent comments, recent posts, and many other. Let's add a simple text in this example. I will place it here below recent posts. I'll add the title. And when I'm done, I press save. If I want to remove a widget, I can just open it and press delete. Let's delete this one and the recent comments, so we will only have search and the example text. Let's see what we have done. You see now we can see the search widget and the new widget we have added. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you wish to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe.